In today's video, we are going to learn how to install or download Lyft application on a mobile device. Also, we will learn how to set up that application on a mobile device. In this, we will learn step-by-step process to do all the process for your Lyft application. So, let's get start our video. First of all, open your Play Store on your mobile device, and if you are in iPhone, open your App Store and search for Lyft app. Now you can see here Lyft application is there. So for that you can see here install option is there. Click on that install. So it will take a time. So after that, now you can see here it installing. Now it will scan. For the security purpose it will scan here. Then after that you can see here open option is there. Click on that open option. Only this time. Now you can see here one get started option is there. Click on that. If you want to go through your mobile number, you can go. See here mobile number is there, so click on that mobile number. Now you will get a 6-digit code number. So you have to give your name, first name and last name. After giving that, you can see here one next option is there. Click on that next option. Now you can see here it's asking for email ID. You have to give your email ID here. Now after giving that email ID, you can see here next option is there. Click on that next option. Now you will get a 1-digit code on your email ID. You have to go and check there for verification. So now you can see here I got this. So you have to paste here and now it will take it automatically. Now you can see here one term and conditions are there. So bar that, now you can see one option as a down I agree. So click on that I agree option. So if you want to add your that payment method on, you can add from here. So in this way you can set up all that Lyft application on your mobile device. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.